Hi, I'm Chef Sarab Kapoor. You've been watching a lot of my vegetarian and vegan recipe videos. Today I have another interesting recipe which is street style pulav. It's called tawa pulav. Usually it's made on a big tawa, but we don't have that at home, so I'm going to be using a regular pan. So let's get started. Before putting in the butter, I'll put some oil. This is purely so that the butter doesn't get burnt. Butter. As the butter is getting melted, I'll throw in the whole masalas, bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves, cumin seeds. Then we put in our chopped onions, garlic, ginger. I'll add in a little salt. So as the onions are changing color, I'll add in the vegetables one by one. You can add in the vegetables depending on how quickly they cook, in that order. The hard ones go in first, or you can parboil them and then add in. My vegetables are parboiled. Carrots would go in first. They take longer to cook. French beans, green peas. I'll add in the tomatoes. So these will get cooked along with the tomatoes if they're not cooked before. Some red chili powder. I'll add in the cauliflower. You could reduce the vegetables if you don't want too much. I've got a whole lot of vegetables here. As the vegetables get cooked, lastly I'll add bell pepper because I like it to be crunchy, and this adds a nice color to the dish. As the vegetables are getting cooked, we'll add in pav bhaji masala, amchur powder, dry mango powder. I've got some chopped green chilies here which I didn't add earlier. If your pav bhaji masala is too spicy and you don't want to make it too spicy, you could skip this. If not, chopped green chilies are very tasty. When the vegetables are cooked, you can add in our rice. I see our rice is now well mixed with all the masalas and it's quite well fried. I'll switch off the flame and we're ready to plate it. Our tawa pulav is ready. Let's garnish it a bit more with some chopped coriander leaves. Nice to have some spring onions also on it. Doesn't this make your mouth water? Don't you feel like trying this at home? Do it now and leave your comments below. I'll be back with some more vegetarian and vegan recipes soon. This is your chef Sarab Kapoor. See you soon.